In this video, we are going to find the asymptotes of a rational function 1 divided by x plus 1. At x equals to -1, f -1 is 1 divided by -1 plus 1 is 1 divided by 0 is undefined. So the line x -1, the vertical line, is called as vertical asymptote. As the graph when approach vertical asymptote, it will either extend to positive infinity or negative infinity. Next, we are going to determine the value of the function when x approaching -1 from the left hand side and right hand side. Let's start from left hand side. Limit x approaching -1 from the left of 1 divided by x plus 1. So we check by substitute a values. Left hand side we can try -1.1. So 1 divided by -1.1 plus 1 is equal to 1 is a positive, divided by -1.1 plus 1 is negative. So positive divided by negative is negative infinity. That means the graph will extend to negative infinity when approaching to -1 from the left. How about from the right? So limit from the right, we can check the sign by substitute a value from the left, -0.9. So 1 divided by -0.9 plus 1 is equal to a positive. 1 is positive. -0.9 plus 1 is positive. So it's a positive infinity. That means the graph will extend to positive infinity as is approached from the right hand side. Therefore, we say the vertical asymptote is x equals to -1. Next, we're going to find the horizontal asymptote. The horizontal asymptote is limit at infinity, negative infinity, and positive infinity. So limit when x approaching positive infinity, 1 divided by x plus 1. We use the properties of limit when x approaching positive infinity of a number divided by x power n is equal to 0. As we substitute infinity into x, we have 1 divided by infinity plus 1, which is equal to 1 divided by infinity. So its limit is equal to 0. Then as limit when x approaching negative infinity of x plus 1. So 1 divided by negative infinity plus 1 is equal to 1 divided by negative infinity is also approaching to 0. So we say the horizontal asymptote is y equals to 0. So when x approaching negative infinity, if you're approaching to y equals to 0, both sides